it's Crystal of MrsHappyHomemaker.com, and today I have a super simple recipe for you guys. Creamy jalapeno meatballs in the crock pot. This recipe is so simple, you guys. It's good for a main dish, it's good for an easy appetizer, or even for game day. So the hardest part about this recipe is opening up the plastic bag that the frozen meatballs are in. So I've got 2 large bags of meatballs, of frozen meatballs, and I'm going to put them in my crock pot here. Now I'm going to take a family kind of size can of cream of mushroom soup and scrape it into a bowl. I'm just going to dump in this jar of jalapenos. Yes, the whole jar. If you can't stand the heat, then get out the kitchen. No, I'm just playing with you. If you can't stand the heat, then substitute this out for 2 7-ounce cans of diced green chilies. You can find those in the Latino department at the grocery store. I'm just going to stir this all up. Now I'm just going to pour this in on top of my meatballs. Now I'm going to put the lid on top of this. And I'm going to cook this on low for about 4 to 5 hours. You can also cook it on high for about 1.5 to 2 hours.